Register the patient. Click Exam button. Select Head Routine. Select Head First Supine. Click Load button. Press Start button. Topogram skin starts. Adjust skin fob from base of skull to above vertex. Click Load button. Press Move button. Table will move to center start position. Press Start button. Brain skin starts. Software reconstructing axial images. From Patient Browser, load Brain 5 mm reconstructed images. Select Series and send to Film Sheet. Go to Filming. Press Move button. Table will move to center start position. Cap layout 5 by 5. Delete extra images. Keep 24 brain axial images. From Patient Browser, load Topogram image to the first segment of film. Adjust the size of the slices. Print out. Select Head 1 mm from Browser and load to 3D tab. Make all three plane to 5 mm by clicking here. Select Parallel Ranges over Axial Image. Make coronal images planing over axial image. Save and send to film. Make parallel ranges to sagittal over axial image. Make 15 sagittal image. Save and send to film. Now in the film there is 15 coronal and 15 sagittal image, total 30. 5 by 6 layout. Print this film out. Thank you for watching.